We're bringing it back home. The local car manufacturers stopped building them. They said that Australia was done with the V8 Ute, but we're not done. We're bringing it back. We start by swapping out the factory Duramax branded 2.8 litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine and 6-speed auto transmission in favour of the highly tunable GM 6.2 litre LS3 or the factory 1900 Supercharged and stronger LSA V8 variant, both best known in Australia as the heart of the Holden V8 Commodore and HSV counterparts. For Superado, we've paired a new crate LSA engine with our TVS2650 Supercharger System, our largest intercooled blower yet. We've worked closely with Killer Customs to adapt the hardware and E38 ECU found in most LS-based GM vehicle platforms like Corvette, Camaro and Commodore to talk to the Colorado body control. Both engine and transmission calibration is developed and carried out at our Harrop Performance Centre in Melbourne, making a responsive 385 kilowatts or 500 plus horsepower at the rears and around 800 newton metres or 600 foot-pounds of torque. The Colorado's four-wheel drive transfer case system is retained and mates to a new 6L80 6-speed auto. The Superado is street legal with an engineering compliance plate fitted. For further peace of mind, our big front brake kit can be optioned. This features 6-piston calipers and beefy 355mm rotors to deliver a firm pedal and superior braking performance. You can feel the rumble and hear the roar of the Supercharged V8. From the deep mid-range power all the way to full throttle, the V8 makes its presence known. Our custom twin outlet 2.5-inch exhaust system brings the growl of the V8 back to the streets, yet is user-friendly when it needs to be, and we also have the option of bimodal variants. The transformation is not just limited to powertrain upgrades. Customers can complement their all-purpose rig with extras such as a roof platform, additional LED lighting, side steps, bonnet bulge and unique decals. The interior can be finished with durable sports leather or luxury Alcantara for a supercar-like cabin feel. The Superado is available in two dynamic packages, designed to dominate the streets or hit the beaten track for adventure. If you're an urban explorer, the Superado can be fitted with 20-inch method race wheels and Toyo Open Country AT2 tyres with strong traction off-road and a quiet, comfortable ride on-road, which is the sort of balance you want to see in a high-quality all-terrain tyre. And when the road ends, the Superado keeps going. The Superado off-road variant is set up to conquer the country, fitted with 18x9-inch method race wheels and Toyo's Open Country RT tyres that combine the extreme puncture resistance and strength of a mud terrain with the long-wearing compound and sealed road performance of an all-terrain. It will dominate any surface. For suspension, we've partnered with the team from Shockworks. With OEM experience, they've provided us with a high-quality adjustable coilover system in the front, billet mounted, with remote reservoir rear shocks with extra oil capacity, mated with the factory rear leaf springs, and well-defined 12-step progression between hard and soft settings. And when traction is an issue, our optional selectable locking E-locker diffs come into play. With torque distributed equally to both wheels, off-road obstacles are a breeze with push-button traction on demand. The complete conversion takes a week. Drop your Colorado off Monday and pick up your Superado Friday. Head to superado.com.au and bring the V8 back home.